Get ready for an unforgettable experience. The thunderous roar of engines, the sharp crack of timber, and the breathtaking sight of massive trees crashing down in seconds. This video takes logging to a whole new level. Don't miss it.
The John Deere 700K LGP, packing 130 HP, takes down a towering 50-foot tree. Modern machinery's power is truly astonishing. Well, that escalated quickly. He cut one tree, and now the whole forest is playing dominoes. Hope he didn't park his truck nearby. Whoa! The John Deere 1910 G300 HP grabs 10-foot logs like a breeze. Just like picking up a toothpick. With a 4.400 pounds lifting capacity, the Pond's Elk K90+M smoothly hoists 12-inch logs, showcasing its power and precision in every move. The Easton-made 24D, with a crushing force of 96.000 pounds, splits logs over 16 inches in diameter with incredible speed and power. Look at that, this man just took down a 50-foot tree, but it crashed onto his house, damaging the roof. Luckily, no one was hurt. A fiery disaster. The massive semi-truck is engulfed in flames. Black smoke rising high. Firefighters rush in, but it looks beyond saving. The Valtra VH180, packing 178 HP, is struggling to escape a deep mud pit. Do you think it can break free on its own? with a massive 169.000 pound-feet of torque. The Pond's Ergo 8W harvests and slices 20-foot trees in seconds, pure power at its finest. This massive truck is engulfed in flames, with thick black smoke pouring out. A terrifying sight. It looks like there's no way to stop the fire. The Gen's 582 wood chipper, with 3.000 pound-feet of torque, obliterates 20 tons of wood in the blink of an eye, but still can't keep up with the speed of my old lady devouring a hamburger. Haha. What a beast! The Vermeer BC900XL, with 53 pound-feet of torque, shreds a 23-foot tree into wood chips in seconds, geared up for the next recycling mission. The MTZ-80 tractor, with 79 HP, got stuck in deep mud but was finally rescued. Even submerged, its engine kept running, proof of this machine's legendary durability. With a 5 pound-feet saw, this guy rips through a massive 5-foot diameter log, turning it into planks in the blink of an eye. The cut is as smooth as a hot knife through butter. The saw roars. With 4 pound-feet of torque, the worker skillfully maneuvers the blade, tearing through the massive 50-foot tree, ready for a powerful takedown. The International 4900, with 296 HP, groans under a massive 30.000 pounds lumber load. Oh no, it looks overloaded. Smoke is starting to rise. Snow, mud, and chaos. The Komatsu 901XC claws its way through the unforgiving terrain, spinning, grinding, but refusing to back down. Awesome, the Komatsu D65E, with 296 HP, powers through mud and clears trees with precision and brute force. This might be the most stunning wood grain you've ever seen. Nature's gift of rich colors and sharp, intricate patterns makes it truly remarkable. Watch as we cut through a massive 50-foot southern yellow pine using a 66-inch tooth saw. Water sprays onto the blade, an essential step to keep it cool and reduce friction during the cut. 80.000 pounds of splitting force. This wood splitter makes quick work of 32-inch logs, fast, clean, and professional. Truly a beast in the yard. The Komatsu 901XC, with 944 pound-feet of torque, effortlessly processes 26-foot trees into precise sections, built for true logging professionals.